Hey guys, here's my quick review of the Orbit Digital 2 outlet water hose timer. I currently have it connected to two water hoses. One is to my auto water feeder for my dogs, which is nice because this gives them fresh water and there's a little valve there. And I basically have that on a timer for about 1 or 2 minutes and it fills up every day. And on the other one, I have it on a water hose. So I can actually use it for my sprinkler system or just for a timer. And of course, you can manually override this for like 5-10 minutes or so just by hitting the manual override. But the best thing about this is that it's so simple to use. The plus and minus buttons are easy to push, and the big knob is very easy to program. It's very intuitive and also very easy to read because of the large display and the large knob. And that's a huge plus for me and also my my parents as well. Anyways, guys, that's really about it. It works fine. The good thing is that it has two stations. I usually have it covered with a rag so the sun doesn't get to it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.